In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock or unlock layers in Adobe Photoshop. Locking a layer is one of those small habits that can save you from accidental edits, stray brush strokes, or shifting an element out of place. It's simple, non-destructive, and you can toggle it on or off at any time. Let's walk through it together so you feel confident using it in your projects. Start by opening your project in Photoshop. With your document ready, look for the Layers panel. This is where every layer in your composition is listed and where you'll manage what gets protected. If you don't see the Layers panel, go to the Window menu at the top of the screen and choose Layers. Once it's visible, make sure you can clearly see the layer names and thumbnails so you know exactly what you're selecting. Click to select the layer you want to lock. You'll notice the selected layer is highlighted. Take a moment to confirm you've chosen the correct one. Locking affects only the layer that's selected, so it's a good habit to double check. At the top of the Layers panel, you'll find the lock icons. The most straightforward option is the padlock icon, which locks the layer. Clicking this padlock protects the layer from most edits. You'll see a small lock icon appear next to the layer's name, confirming it's now secure. While a layer is locked, tools like brush and eraser won't make changes to it, and you won't be able to move it with the Move tool. If you're working precisely, this is a great way to prevent accidental nudges and keep your layout intact. Some lock options can target specific kinds of protection like transparency or position, but the main padlock is your all-purpose lock for quick safety. When you're ready to make changes again, unlocking is just as easy. Select the locked layer in the Layers panel so it's highlighted. Then click the same padlock icon at the top of the Layers panel to remove the lock. The lock symbol next to the layer will disappear, and the layer will be fully editable again. You can paint, transform, move, or apply adjustments as needed. That's all there is to it. Locking and unlocking layers gives you control and peace of mind while you design. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.